Hey, I got 10 top side hustles that you could start right now in 2019. And number one is called Graphic Advance in Closter, New Jersey. You're going to be a customer service rep, 30 to 40,000 a year. You got to keep Amazon, eBay, and other stores rating in good standing. Manage inventory in a various online platforms. And you must have your work authorization for this position. Number two is called Lickability iOS apprenticeship, $20 an hour. Part-time position. You must have experience in writing and running Swift code and in Xcode. Number three is called American Digital. You're going to be an appointment setter, $5,000 to $100,000 in commission. So basically, if you make a sale, you will get an awesome commission. Outbound calls to leads to make appointments and data cleansing. Whatever that means, you're going to be doing data cleansing also, besides making appointments to the leads that the company gives you. 1 year of appointment setting. Number four is called SmartTix Entertainment. SmartTix Entertainment Services in New York City. Support specialist. Part-time position. You are able to work from home, comforts of your home, and have a quiet space with the high-speed internet. Must be reactive and proactive when selling products because you're going to be a support specialist. Number five is called NoHype Digital. Inside sales, 60 to 250,000 a year in commission. You will work from home in your spare time. You're going to have access to educational resources for self-directed on-the-job training and skill building. 1 year experience in sales. Number six is called Kech Development, New York City. Home inspector, 40 to 45,000 a year as a home inspector. But you got to have 1 year of real estate experience, and 1 year of home inspector experience. Number seven is called Motorola Solutions. Client Relations Manager. The focus of this position is supporting law enforcement with their efforts while proactively increasing the usage of our database through training. You must have a high school diploma or a bachelor's. Bachelor's is preferred, but they will take a high school diploma as well. Number eight is called Moneyline, New York City. Is a mortgage loan officer, and this is a work from home position. You're going to get paid weekly. You must have your NMLS license or be in the process of obtaining this license to apply. So you got to have this license as the NMLS in order to apply for this position, or you must be in the process of applying for this position or for this license in order to apply for this position as a mortgage loan officer. Number nine is called Iron Mountain Transportation Coordinator in New Jersey. You will have consistent, predictable shifts, competitive hourly rate, full benefits, and paid vacation, holidays, and sick and personal time. Number 10 is called Anomali in New York City. Senior Customer Success Manager. Support large and strategic customer service, pre-sales activities. You must have your BS or your BA degree. Strong technical background, and the ability to speak to engineers in a professional manner. developers, and end users as well in a professional manner. So with those positions, some of them you might need bachelor's. Some of them you might need high school diploma. Some of them you just need 1 year of sales. So these are some like 10 top side hustles that I wanted to bring to you today, so you could start working, making money, and generating money into your home, because you know it's rough out here, and any way that you can make money from your home or just actually make money is like a plus. So I wanted to bring these jobs to you, these side hustles, and generate that money. And to one of them you could make $45,000 a year. Like, how awesome is that? But with that one, you gotta have 1 year of real estate experience, and you gotta have 1 year of home inspection experience as well for that position to make $45,000 a year. So I wanted to also talk to you about, if you would like an awesome website or a blog, you can easily sign up for Bluehost. It's a web hosting company, and it's called Bluehost. And you can sign up today. If you sign up today, I will get an awesome commission. I get an awesome commission, and you get an awesome website, and you get an awesome. If you can have the website or you can have the blog. It's totally up to you. Like, but if you click on the link that I'm gonna put on the bottom, click on the link, start your website, because everybody needs a website. Even when you have a YouTube channel, that's cool and everything, but to have a website, that's better in a way, because that's your personal, that's like your brand, like your personal stuff. So if you have that and you have YouTube, and that's like so cool, because that's what I have. I have my website, I have a newsletter, and I have my YouTube channel. And you could share my video, you could share this video on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, what's the other one? It's like so freaking many. Whatever you want to share this video, share the video, so we can all get this dough, make that money. And I also have another wonderful experience that I want to experience with you. I have my own, finally, I have a newsletter, and I'm going to put that link on the bottom as well. So sign up for that too. So when I do my videos, if you missed the notification that you want to click on today, if you missed that with the newsletter, you will find out what I'm doing on my channel. So do that, and I will be so freaking happy right now, like totally. So yeah, I just signed up for a newsletter. It's pretty cool, and if I can't, get to you, then that means that at least you have my newsletter, and that'll help me out too. So yeah, so do that. Sign up, like, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. So when I do my videos fresh off the press every week, you will be the first one to get notified. Every week I do fresh videos. You will be the first to get notified. So that being said, I'm going to say thank you for coming to my channel, because these top 10 side hustles that you could start today in 2019, I couldn't wait. And I just wanted to bring it to my subscribers. And hopefully I have some more subscribers. You never know. So enjoy the day. God bless. Take care. Thank you for spending your time with me, Joanne. Take care. Be safe. Bye-bye.